see how bad I modified my body on that one. Yeah. Got the fender a little bit. I pound that out. Got the door a little bit more. I can pound that. I got no door panels. I can pound that out from the inside. Yeah. I honestly thought it was going to be worse than that. On that one a while back. Got over easily this time just by picking the right line. Last time I got hung up on a stump, so I'm out there in the high limb jack, get my front end jacked up, so I can get stuff under my tire. And while the truck was on the jack, I actually had to back off the stump I had jacked up. So I basically backed off from the jack. So that's a recovery technique I might show on my later videos. But this is the closest to the truck and Jeep season at the Mounds in Mount Morris. Today's the last day. Tomorrow they close off everything except for this area right here, which is the scramble area number 1. It's get turned over to the dirt bikes, quads, and side-by-sides until midday. So I have videos coming up on this channel of me on my KFX 700 because I come out here with that. But I think I'm done for today. I modified some of my body and kind of tested my truck out. Got the winch a little bit. I forgot to record that, but like I said, I had my fun. It's time for my maintenance and upgrades on F-Zomb50 and get it ready for the May opening. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Let's see what we can find inside a door when you got no door panels. $0.10. Beef jerky score. An old rag. Holy crap, I've been looking for these things. These are like the scariest scissors I've ever owned. Man, they cut anything, even fingers. Trust me on that. Old paper towel. Well, that's what I was looking for right there. Well, that's kept to my camcorder. That's what I originally was looking for. There. Yeah, I think that's all the good stuff. The rest just looks like just bits of door.